Jax, where we going again?
We going to LIC, you heard? Gotta get some brand new fork for the Manila.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ayun ang mission natin today.
Para exit the highway. Ski. Guys, on the way. Look where Jax parked. He's a real dickhead. Real up bad man thing.
Yo, we outside para meet the homie. Bibili na natin yung fork.
Parang kwak-kwak.
Nakitakbo din, naki-jogging.
Parang kwak-kwak. Happy New Year. Motivation.
New Year's motivation. Ano naman dito sa New York, man, nag-yellow. Tangay na, sobrang lamig. Parang bagong server, no?
Fit check. Calm little white.
Yo, G-Time,
Snow.
stop in.
With the purple.
Stop in. You already know. We rapping G-Times all day.
Everywhere. 80 bucks utang ni Jax.
Naka-discount pa kami, men. Naka-discount pa tayo, guys. 190 niya 190 niya binebenta. 160 lang natin
He
na.
said he forgot, so I said 150. Yeah, there you see. Angas nga.
Pina Force, no? Para sa Manila natin yan.
Whew, just lagyan mo yung ano.
Yo, safety.
Sheesh!
And he gave me the little piece for the
Nice.
top.
Bagong bago. From China. China din yung bike ko eh.
Solid. Okay, mission
Ah.
success na today, no? Magboboba namin ni John. Boba,
Angas,
libre niya.
angas ng ano yun eh. Bike niya.
Oops, naka-low. Sarap. Fork.
Ano go? Yo! Bilisan mo!
Gago, babae yun.
Chill, that's a woman. Jax, that's a woman.
Vale. Para come back to life. Nasa mid.
So, ayusin mo, hayop ka.
Ako muna. Ayos siya. Ano ba yun? Tayo na. Nasasabid si Gago.
Sorry guys, the cameraman is dying. Magkano mo sa bro sa wheels mo? Magkano?
700 lang. 700 po. Nabili ko to ng 800 sa tropa. Dadali natin siya sa tropa nating mechanic, men. Valid. Tuloy ang mission. Outside. Getting shit done. Yo, what up, yo? On the way ako ngayon sa bike shop ng tropa. Kasi hindi natin natapos yung pag-ayos ng bike natin kagabi. Kasi wala tayong specific na tool para tanggalin yung nakalagay sa fork. Kaya ngayon, samahan nyo ako, ipapayos natin yun. At bibigay natin yung bayad natin sa kanila na Jollibee, diba? Ganun lang magbayad dun eh. Anyway, makikita nyo na lang. Pagdating ko doon, bibidyo ako na lang. At that's it. Yo, we here. We here. Yo, what up? What up? Yo, here. I got you my payment, bro. Yes, sir. got the bike here. We gotta change the fork. We already cutted it.
You ready, okay?
Yeah. On the same.
Run to stone.
Yeah.
Ooh, now it's too short. Too short, man. God damn.
And they gotta fix it. And we're just gonna watch it. Yo. I haven't rode this bike for like 3 months, bro. Because of the fork. I had to find the fork and all that.
Should run in an Envy one, man.
Right. Envy is too expensive though.
You're a rich man. You millionaire.
We on the Alpina for now. Alpina for now. The guy sold me this. He said he haven't used it, so he haven't installed it. Gotta see how it's gonna look. Got him. So, shout out to my boy Tony, Bushwick Bike Shop. You already know. We finally back. The Manila is back. Sexy shit. Yo, thank you, bro. Appreciate you all the time. Sheesh. And he's back. The Manila is back. We gotta try this out real quick. Y'all, I'ma be back. Yo, looking fire, not gonna lie. Gotta try this out. Hey, the Manila is back after 3 months. Yo, we got this, the homie's bike. He got the Fuji, the full track Fuji. High modulus carbon. Yo, this is fire. This is some rare ass frame set, bro. You don't really get to see this every day. Sheesh, Fuji and the Manila. Out. Homie, let us try the bike. This is fire, bro. Quick. Yeah, outside. This is some valid ass day, bro. At okay na. Napakabit na natin yung fork. At ready to go na yung Manila Animal natin. Mission success for today. At magagamit ko na rin ulit sa wakas yung bike na, yung fixed gear natin, di ba? Makapaglaro na ulit ako sa mga Alicat. So, stay tuned para sa mga Alicat videos. Anyways, kung nakaabot ka sa part ng video na to, sobrang angas mo. Kasi outro na to. Salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta and I'm out.